Stop by and take a look at the 2022 G-Class. Not many SUVs can claim a hand-built luxury interior inside a battle-tested, hand-built body. In fact, only one can. Extraordinary capability and ongoing enhancement have made the G-Class one of the world's top off-roaders for the past 3 decades. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.